Alrighty, welcome. Get ready to open the Meta Adventure frames in color Classic Tortoise with clear lenses and a Mocha charging case. Now the struggle to get into this thing with one hand was so real. Alright, and at this point I'm so excited to get into the box that I'm about to rip these things out of here. But then watch as I finally get it out. Now this is not the way that the instructions tell you to pair it for the very first time as you open it, but I did not follow the directions, but I ended up setting it up the right way in the end. Now from the front you can see the lenses. They don't stand out as much as I thought they would, but you can see them there. Alright, now I did see another tutorial of someone being able to fold these flat. So with one hand I'm going to attempt to do it. And that's what it's going to look like, you know, for storage purposes if you have to carry it around. USB-C charger, but it's pretty flat overall. Now as a comparison, I did put these next to an older pair of Michael Kors frames that I had, just so you can see the size comparison as it compares to, you know, an average frame without all the techie features. The front profile, in my opinion, are visually similar where you couldn't really tell the difference, but the side profile you can definitely tell. Now this is just a quick video that I took using the frames of like a little office space in my bedroom, followed by a still photo, and the quality looks really good. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this short little unboxing. I may decide to record some more. Bye for now.